world is changing at an unprecedented pace, and to survive, we need to rethink and evolve. Is it a good idea to reduce cost of our interiors, our homes, our workplace? Yes, answer is obviously yes. And reduce time to make these interiors? Yes, of course. Should we have flexible and changeable interiors? A resounding yes. The world is fast moving away from traditional way of making interiors, which took lots of time and labor, and moving towards manufactured modular systems, which are faster and cheaper. We see these systems all around us. Notice the baffle ceiling in the restaurant, the modular workstations in offices, partitions in hotels and hospitals, and even tables and chairs at home. Market have many systems, local and branded, Chinese and MNCs, and even Indian brands. Then why iCubics? They are the largest number of green certified interior and architecture systems in India. Very unique and very different from all other products available in the market. Our products are completely designed in India, made in India, and taking on the leading brands of the world. Or more than 80 products are certified Green Pro by IGBC, a CII body. We are an MSME and DIPP registered startup with ISO certification. We have been selected as a leading startup by many platforms, and we were the silver sponsor to Green Pro Summit, where we addressed the who is who of the industry. We have been awarded Economic Times Emerging Consumer Brand of the Year. Let us take a look at some features and other benefits. iCubics systems are very innovative, and patents have been applied for many of them. They are marvels of sophisticated engineering and super high in performance. They are ultra fast in installation with minimum human labor on site. They are highly customizable, modifiable, and relocatable. And all of this comes at very economic prices. Architects love our products because these systems are very flexible and allow for unique aesthetic expression. Contractors can save a lot of labor and time, while end users are happy because they get customized products which can be modified in future. These systems can increase the chance of survival and success of businesses and investors because they can reduce project time and cost substantially and are reusable. Now let us take a look at our innovative and high performance modular interior systems. We have the widest range of modular interior systems in the industry today, like ceilings, partitions, trapdoors, floor boxes, etc. Our glass partitions are very sleek and contemporary. Some of these designs are unique and can be installed even in homes. Our very innovative glass partitions have highest performance standards in the industry, so people can work with less noise and with more privacy. They can even be upgraded from single glass to double glass anytime. Our doors and frames have double seals. One of the door designs have integrated handle. Door frames can be installed in all kind of partitions and walls like toilets or rooms. Our demountable partitions are helping retail stores like Reliance to roll out hundreds of stores and warehouses with highly reduced cost, manpower and time. These partitions have high sound reduction. Their removable panels allow installation of new PowerPoints or writing board in just a few minutes. Here you can see how fast these partitions can be installed. This panel was installed in just 5 minutes instead of 2 hours required for a normal partition. Our drywall partition walls can help make an entire toilet block within a few days instead of months. The panels can be temporarily removed to repair plumbing inside the walls. They can be used to make rooms in hospitals, hotels, and even houses. Companies like Jaguar are making their showrooms ultra fast and changing their interiors every few months with the help of iCubics drywalls. Our ceiling trapdoors are available in big sizes, very strong, safe, and leave just a 2 mm gap, making the ceilings look beautiful. They are used in homes, airports, malls, shops, hotels, institutes, and every possible project. Baffle ceilings are today used in hotels, conference rooms, airports, lobbies, and even homes for their modern looks and improved acoustics. Our baffle ceilings are patent applied, can have amazing finishes like lacquered glass, cork, and even printed vinyl. which can even be changed very easily. Our workstation-like systems are like transformers. They can be modified into different configurations using same components, like single seater can be made into double, or a longer table can be made smaller. IDX, an international consultant, is considering using them with co-working spaces like WeWork and Regus. They can be useful for all small and big offices. Here you are going to see a single workstation getting extended to double workstation in just 10 minutes, whereas a normal workstation is simply unchangeable. Our floor junction boxes are very unique. They are patent applied, and companies like Lumex have beautiful floors of wood finish because they use our floor junction boxes with the same finish embedded in their lids. We have the world's first modular electrical boxes for installing sockets and floors in offices and showrooms. They can be made into any sizes as per your requirement. We are proud that we are not just seller of the best modular interior systems, but offer customized product solutions for our clients. Let us see how. We helped Siemens replace German imported open frame racks for signaling rooms of Delhi Metro, which they had been trying to develop in India for 3 years. We designed, developed, prototyped and installed the first batch within 60 days. We helped GMR Hyderabad by designing and installing an 80 feet long and 20 feet high partition within 45 days in operational and high security airport area. Let us take a look at our clientele. Best organizations in the country are discovering our value, like Bharti AXA, Siemens, Delhi Metro, MIT University, big real estate companies like BPTP, and international organizations like IDX, and innumerable architects and end users. iCubix is emerging as a global brand. Due to our amazing products and huge website traffic, we are on top of Google search engine results, and people the world over are discovering us on Google for the solutions they seek. Try Google for ceiling tab door or aluminum glass partition and find us on top of the search page. Let us see what our clients say about us. We receive regular appreciation from delighted customers. Here's Sanjeev Save, Business Intelligence Chief of Godrej Properties, say that he has never seen a product like ours. Project Director of IDX, Harvey Lopez, says he plans to use our workstation with his clients. We have fan mail from various architects like Shweta Shah of Studio Pomegranate, Alok Jain, Kunal Trehan of SKV, and even end users like Amit Sharma, who installed our ceiling trapdoors in his home. I thank you for your time and patience, and please remember to use and recommend innovative, flexible, customizable, and green certified iCubix modular interior systems, which can bring down cost and time of interiors from many months to just a few days with minimum human labor and at very economic prices. Please check out our website www.icubix.com for more information.